Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. Markets are in a holding pattern today, with Bitcoin touching $81,000 overnight before pulling back to $79,551, while Fed Chair Kevin Warsh prepares to deliver his first Jackson Hole keynote speech at 10 a.m. Eastern Time tomorrow. Solana surges past $106 after validators approve historic deflationary governance changes. Bitcoin briefly reached its highest level since May 15th at $81,455 before retreating, with traders cautious ahead of Warsh's speech. The Fed chair faces a critical decision on whether to support Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent's $4 billion bond buyback program, which has already helped fuel Bitcoin's 26% rally since August 19th. If Warsh endorses Fed participation in yield curve management, Bitcoin and gold could continue rallying. Conversely, emphasizing Fed independence could strengthen the dollar and pressure risk assets. Spot Bitcoin ETFs recorded $2.8 billion in inflows across 8 consecutive sessions. Solana delivered the biggest story in crypto governance, with validators approving 3 landmark proposals that will fundamentally reshape the network's economics. The measures include doubling the annual disinflation rate from 15% to 30%, reducing new token issuance by approximately 18.9 million SOL over 6 years. Validators also approved burning 100% of resource-based transaction fees, increasing daily burns from roughly 600 to 800 SOL up to 7,500 to 9,000 SOL. These deflationary pressures helped push SOL past $106, up 46% for the month. Charles Schwab announced it will add Solana trading to its crypto platform, potentially exposing the token to $12 trillion in client assets. Ethereum staking is undergoing major institutional evolution as publicly traded companies increasingly rely on staking income. Bitmine's latest quarterly filing showed 98% of revenue came from staking. Ethereum currently trades at $2,505. Security concerns escalated this week. Core Lightning issued an emergency warning after AI-generated vulnerability reports uncovered multiple real flaws. Bitcoin achieved its first quantum-safe transaction on mainnet using Starkware's signature grinding method, though approximately 7 million BTC remain vulnerable due to exposed public keys. XRP dropped to $1.42 after approximately $20 million in long positions were liquidated. Despite derivatives selling pressure, spot XRP ETFs recorded their highest single-day inflow in over 7 months at $28.14 million on August 26. Infrastructure developments include Circle deprecating its legacy cross-chain transfer protocol, with developers required to update by December 1st. Visa announced partnerships with Dunamu and Shinhan Financial Group to develop stablecoin payment infrastructure. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready.